Dear students, today we are going to study the book My First Flight, chapter first, A Letter to God. Chapter first, A Letter to God. In this chapter, the writer wants to tell us about the weather condition. Then those farmers who depends on weather, monsoon, what happen when the rain falls too much or nothing. Such kinds of pathetic story has been mentioned here. There is a person whose name is Lencho. Lencho, a farmer who is doing farming on his field. He is standing in his field and looking his house is situated on a high hill and looking the rain clouds. The clouds are coming and he feels with joy that surely it would rain. लेंचो नाम का एक लड़का बड़ा खुश होता है जब बादलों को देखता है, जिसका घर एक पहाड़ी पर स्थित होता है। वो अपने खेतों की तरफ देखकर बड़ा खुश हो जाता है। ये सोचता है कि आज ये बादल उसके खेत में बरसेंगे और उसके खेत को हरा भरा कर देंगे। Lencho, who was working in his field and having filled with the optimism that surely his field would be filled with greenery and he would get the crop fine because of the rain, and even the dark clouds, the black clouds are advancing towards his fields. He thought that surely it would rain. He also talked to his wife, who is also cooking food, and feels with joy that the clouds are coming towards his fields. But what happens? It rained, but a heavy rains. There is the snow falls, as well as we can say the rain of the hail came in his fields. ओलों की वर्षा होती है and too much hail falls in his fields and the crop was completely failed and devastated, destroyed by the hail. Because of this hail, he thought that what money he had expended there, he expended the money in his field, he got lost. So he became very disappointed and very nervous. Because of this nervous situation, he thinks he must complain to God. He must ask for God. Even he has a deep faith in the mercy of God. So he thought that the human beings can't help him. But perhaps if he requests to God, God could help him. And because of this, he writes a letter to God. When the letter is sent to the post office, a postman, by looking it, take the letter to the postmaster. The postmaster as well as the postman both started to laugh because of this letter heading letter to God. The man Lencho, who wrote the letter to God, and surely the postmaster was started to laughing because of this letter heading title. What should be done? When he reads the letter, he feels with a helping nature. Feeling creates in his mind. He thought he must give something. He must do something for the boy Lencho. Lencho asked 100 peso to God. Lencho asked for money to God that he must give an aid of 100 peso. But when postmaster read the letter of Lencho and came to know that from God 100 peso has been demanded by Lencho, what should be done? He doesn't have enough money. So he calls his staff members and he collects the money. But when he collects the money, only 70 peso has been collected. Only 70 peso has been collected by the station master, and he wanted to help Lencho, so he sent the 70 peso to Lencho. Here we see one side that the station master, the postmaster, who feels with the pathetic feeling, as well as he had a good heart. He wanted to help the boy, help Lencho, and so he collected money and sent to Lencho. When the money is sent to Lencho, it is only 70 peso. As the compensation from God, Lencho demanded money as he wanted to again grow the crop. His field was completely destroyed by the hail falling, and so he was nervous. Now when he finds 70 peso because of the deep faith in the God, he was very fortunate that he has been given money by God. He thinks so, but he thinks that there is only 70 peso sent to him. It means the staff or the postmaster has done something nuisance. They have stolen the money. The 30 peso has been stolen by the postmaster or the postman or the staff of the post office, and Lencho thought that they have, so he again complained to God that he must, the money 70 peso he has got, but it is insufficient, it is not enough. He needs 30 peso more so that he can grow crop again in his fields. So he writes a complaint letter, another, to postmaster. When the post to God, Lencho again writes the letter to God. When the postmaster again reads the letter, the second letter, he comes to know that the boy Lencho has blamed on them that they have stolen the money. They are too much suffered by this. Even they had helped to Lencho, but he has blamed on stolen money. There's such kinds of story in this chapter has been mentioned, a letter to God. ये कहानी एक मेच्योर बॉय की है जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है। वो अपने खेत में काम कर रहा होता है, जिसका घर एक पहाड़ी पर स्थित होता है। बादलों को देखकर वो ये अनुमान लगाता है इस बार फसल अच्छी होगी। वो मेहनत करता है खेत में, अपनी पत्नी से बातें भी कर रहा होता है जिस समय बादल आ रहे होते हैं बरसने के लिए। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से बारिश तो होती है, लेकिन ये ओलावृष्टि होती है। बड़े बड़े बर्फ़ के टुकड़े खेत में गिरते हैं। पूरा खेत जो है वो बर्फ़ की चादर से वाइट हो जाता है, और ये उसके लिए बड़ा दुखदायक होता है। खेत में पूरी फसल चौपट हो जाती है। इससे पहले टिड्डियों ने उस पर हमला करके उसके खेत को चौपट कर दिया था, इसलिए लेंचो बड़ा नर्वस हो जाता है। इस नर्वस फीलिंग के साथ ही थिंक्स बट ही हैड डीप फेथ इन द मर्सी ऑफ गॉड, लेकिन वो अपनी भगवान की आस्था में पूरा विश्वास करता है। इसी फीलिंग के साथ वो सोचता है क्यों ना ह्यूमन बींग्स कांट हेल्प हिम, मनुष्य उसकी मदद नहीं कर सकते, एंड परहैप्स गॉड कैन हेल्प हिम, भगवान उसकी मदद कर दे। सो ही राइट्स ए लेटर टू गॉड, इसलिए वो लेटर गॉड को लिखता है। व्हेन दिस लेटर रीचेज टू द पोस्ट ऑफिस, जब ये लेटर पोस्ट ऑफिस में पहुंचता है तो पोस्ट मास्टर को ये लेटर दिखाता है, जिसके माध्यम से उसके हेडिंग को, उसके टाइटल को, उसकी थीम को पढ़ने के बाद पूरा स्टाफ हंसने लग जाता है। लेकिन पोस्ट मास्टर के दिल में कहीं ना कहीं एक मदद की भावना जागृत होती है। वो भी एक इंसान, ह्यूमन बीइंग है, और ही वांटेड टू हेल्प द बॉय। लेंचो उस मैच्योर बॉय की मदद करना चाहता है पोस्ट मास्टर, लेकिन उसके पास पर्याप्त पैसे नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए अपने स्टाफ से, अपने पोस्ट मास्टर से, इन सब से कलेक्ट करके 70 पेंसो का वो जुगाड़ करता है, और इस प्रकार 70 पेंसो को भेज दिया। पेंसो इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ दैट कंट्री। 70 पेंसो को लेंचो को भेज दिया जाता है। लेंचो जब उस मनी को देखता है, वो ये सोचता है भगवान ने उसको पैसे भेजे हैं। वो पैसे तो 100 पेंसो भेजे गए थे, लेकिन रास्ते में कहीं ना कहीं पोस्ट ऑफिस के स्टाफ ने क्या किया, 30 पेंसो को गबन कर लिया, उसमें से निकाल लिए हैं। इसलिए वो दूसरा लेटर फिर भगवान के नाम लिखता है और ये कंप्लेंट करता है कि 30 पेंसो मुझे और ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि 70 पेंसो जो आपने जो पैसे भेजे थे, पेंसो भेजे गए थे, वो पेंसो अपर्याप्त है। इसमें से मेरे को 70 मिले हैं, 30 पेंसो शायद पोस्ट ऑफिस स्टाफ ने निकाल ली है। इसलिए वो ब्लेम करता है और भगवान से अगेन सेकंड लेटर में ये अपील करता है कि मेरे को 30 पेंसो और भेजा जाए, ताकि वो अपने खेत में फसल अच्छी तरह बो सके और इस तरीके से वह अपना काम चला सके। दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ए लेटर टू गॉड रिटन बाय लेंचो। थैंक्स अ लॉट।